Hi, Dr. Danyo from North Atlanta Hair Restoration here in Alpharetta, Georgia. I'm answering a question concerning when you can get your hair cut after a hair transplant. The question was, can I even use clippers at 6 months? And I think there was some confusion as far as the office providing information to this particular patient about when to cut the hair. Keep in mind, at 7 days after hair transplant, the grafts that we placed are essentially grafted, meaning that you would almost have to take a coring device to core out the grafted hairs because they're pretty much mended to the body. It's similar to like if you cut your arm after about a week, you can push on the wound and you can't separate the skin because everything's mended together. So as far as my patients go, I tell them that definitely after 7 days, that would be a minimum, but I usually have my patients after 7 days start working off their scabs, and once their scabs are off, they can go ahead and get a haircut. There's really no restriction on that. So definitely at 6 months, I think you're in the clear. I can just tell you my patients are getting haircuts typically around 8 to 10 days after the procedure, and I've never had any issues with it.